Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the October BELLABOX subscription box. This is their birthday bash box. So I thought I'd try something a little bit different today in relation to this unboxing. And I have tried a number of the products before I've come up on camera. So the first thing that I did this morning after I had a shower was I tried on the argan oil body lotion from OGX. So this is the argan oil of Morocco. It says it's extra hydrating. I forgot to take it into the shower to try the body wash. It is a very thick body lotion. If you don't like a body lotion that you've really got to work into the skin, it gets that white body lotion layer, and it certainly takes a bit of time for it to be absorbed. You won't like it. However, once it did absorb, it didn't leave a film or an oily feeling on the skin. I tend not to really like those heavy body lotions that I've really got to work into the skin, mainly because, as we all know, I'm pretty lazy and that requires extra effort. The next thing that I did was I put on the Vue Hydrating Tissue Mask with aloe vera and witch hazel. Now I'll insert a quick clip of me putting this on now. So I wore this mask for 15 minutes as it's suggested. Okay, so it says it's a truly innovative tissue mask which is infused with an ultra hydrating formula enriched with witch hazel, aloe vera extract and sodium hyaluronate that moisturizes the skin. So it also has niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and trehalose, which is a hydration chemical as well. So I really enjoyed this mask. It was a nice mask. It's valued, I believe, at $4, and I would happily pay the $4 for that mask. I actually really enjoyed the pink colour of it, the skin tone colour of it. I didn't scare my daughter as much as I normally do when I walk out with one of these sheet masks on. I try to use a sheet mask once a week. Sometimes I forget. But I was really happy with that. There was a lot of serum left in the packet, and I normally like to use that serum to rub into my arms and into my décolletage and all of that. But it was very juicy. So I can't say anything bad about it. My skin certainly felt hydrated afterwards. So that was fine. The next thing that we got was a little 2-pack of Swiffer face wash in micellar and coconut water. I will throw that into my travel kit. It'll do. We also got a pair of Model Rock lashes. Now I've done a video of this look, just playing around with some new makeup that I've got, as well as the stuff that we got in this BELLABOX. It will be up on my channel soon. And I'm wearing the Model Rock lashes now. They are in Bardo Bombshell. They are double layered lashes. They are much bigger than the kind of false lashes I wear if I ever bother to wear false lashes. I'm pretty happy with my eyelashes on a day-to-day, so I rarely wear them. It did come with a black latex free glue, which is really good. I was actually surprised when I saw that it was black. Went on well. There wasn't a problem putting them on, apart from they're much bigger than I am used to. And the last thing that came in the box was these Appeal Cosmetics gold highlighter drops. Now it could have come in 3 shades. It could have been gold, bronze or platinum. I'm pretty happy with the gold. It's not quite a nice soft gold. I used it in today's look as a base before I put on my foundation, and I am a little bit sparkly. I think the Cullens would embrace me as their own if I went to Seattle. I am quite sparkly in the light. So there is definitely a lot of fine glitter particles in there. However, my skin from a distance I think looks quite nice and healthy. I just don't think you want to look too closely because I am shining very much with my glitter. So I think it would be actually really nice as like shoulder or décolletage, the collarbones, a nice, in summer especially, a nice body highlighter. It's probably how I'll end up using it. I won't use it as an under illuminator again, but I'm sure it could be used in other ways. I just think I'm a little bit too old to get away with the sparkly, you know, Cullen look from Twilight. So that is our BELLABOX for this month. Just looking at the prices, the Appeal Cosmetics highlighter drops are valued at $40.46. The Model Rock lashes are $11.95. Oh, I did forget a product. Whoops. I used the TLW. Hey, that's my initials. That's cool. TLW Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. So it's a scientifically formulated hair serum that helps smooth, condition and seal strands. Considered a miracle delivered in a bottle, this frizz fighter lives up to the name with its ability to combat the frizziest of hair regardless of the weather, leaving the hair silky and shiny. So what I did is I'll insert a bit of a clip of me applying it to my hair. So I applied the serum to the ends of my hair. I don't like to apply anything to the roots of my hair. My hair is very fine. I have a lot of it, but it is very fine, and I have to be very careful of anything I put in my hair because it will weigh it down immediately. So I added it, then I just used my straightening brush and straightened the ends. So I'll come in a little bit closer. I think it certainly doesn't feel like it's weighed it down any. It is a very humid day today. We have had storms for the last couple of days, and it's very cloudy and stormy today as well. So any day to test this would be today. So it feels good. I'm not sure how it will be straight after, like as the day goes on, because this is obviously just been done. But it certainly doesn't feel heavy on the ends. It doesn't feel like it feels like it's weighing it down. So a full size of this is 125 mils. This is only 20 mils, and it is $19.90 for the full size. Then we obviously had our facial wipes, which I just going to assume is valued at nothing. But a 25 pack is $5.99, and then that hydrating mask was $4. So we're probably looking at a value, you know, around the $55 mark, remembering that the box is around $20. So, you know, we've more than got double our money. So I'm pretty happy with this box. It's got a little bit more makeup stuff in there. Like I said once, I think in the last one, it was starting to get quite skincare heavy for a while. So I was really happy with the products I use. Some of them I'd have to be careful about how I use them again. That OGX body lotion is probably not for me. And we will leave it there. So if you liked this video where I've actually tried on the products and can give you a bit of a first impression of what I thought of them, please let me know in the comments below, and I can do that again with next month's box. As always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior, and I will see you later. Bye.